In this question, you have to match the diseases given in list 1 to the respective causative agent given in list 2. A filariasis arises from infection by Wuchereria bancrofti, a nematode worm. Thus, A matches with B. Now, amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery results from Entamoeba histolytica, a protozoan parasite affecting the human large intestine. Thus, B matches with 4. Now, pneumonia typically stems from bacteria such as Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae. Thus, C matches with 1. And ringworm is caused by fungi of the genera Microsporum trichophyton. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option C.